So greetings to everybody. I am Dr. Oliyat Ali. I am Field Director, Bakaria Healthcare and Research Center, Kargil. So Bakaria Healthcare and Research Center, Kargil is a health organization working in Kargil. It's a health wing of Imam Khomeini Memorial Trust, Kargil. Bakaria Healthcare and Research Center came into being in 2007, and since then it has been doing exemplary work in the field of healthcare, augmenting the already existing government healthcare services. So we provide those services which are not already available in the district through the government. So for example, we provide Sunday OPDs on every Sundays, multi-specialty OPDs on every Sundays to the poor people of Kargil. And side by side, we run diagnostic centers also, in which we provide all kinds of diagnostic tests like the hematological, biochemistry, radiological, ultrasonography, and upper GI endoscopies at very minimal cost to the patient. And those patients who are very poor, we provide free also to them. And we do vaccinations also. For example, we did a mega drive of vaccination against hepatitis B in Kargil. So why this was needed? Because in a survey it was found that the hepatitis B prevalence was very high in our district. So we came with a solution for this. So we did screening, 100% screening and complete vaccination with the 3 doses for all the patients who were found, all the people who were found negative, and those who were found positive were put on treatment also side by side. So now at this point, all the population of Kargil is totally vaccinated against hepatitis B. And also we do multi-specialty medical camps also in all far-flung areas of the district, and also we go out of the district for medical camps, especially in times of disaster. And we do super specialty camps like multiple we have done in the field of cardiology, neurology, neurosurgery, pulmonology, urology, all kinds of super specialty specialties we have covered through multiple super specialty camps. And we have done a lot of almost 7 joint replacement surgery camps, in which almost 300 knees have been replaced, and more than 10 hips have been replaced. And also we do this kind of eye surgery camps also, so in which we provide free of cost surgery and intraocular lens for the cataract patients. And also we provide the spectacles to all those patients who are found with refractive error. This episode of the camp has begun from this 24th of this month, and it ran for almost a week, more than a week, in which almost 1800 patients were screened for all kinds of eye ailments. Almost 117 cases of cataract were found, and they were subjected to surgery, free of cost surgery with intraocular lens implantation.